Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Today we will see about header, logo, header customization, header setting, menu and menu setups. So without wasting any time, let's start our lecture. This area you see is called the header. To understand the header better, I will show you a website where you will know the header clearly. This area in the red line you are looking at is called the header. At the top you see the phone number, email and social bar is top navigation, then main navigation, and the area below is called the bottom navigation. Today we will see how to create all of these. First of all, you have to create a logo for your site. You don't have to copy your competitor's logo. You have to take inspiration from them and create your own logo. Those who don't know how to make logo can easily make logo in Canva because Canva is easy to use and everyone knows how to use it. We will also make logo in it. Here I will use the theme color we selected in the last video for my website logo. Our logo is ready. Now we will download it and put it in our website. To add a logo, we will click on the header. Here in general, the logo option is shown. Click on logo and then here you have to upload your logo file. Click on the select, then you will be asked to crop the image. It is your choice whether to crop or skip it. Now we will click on the skip option and see how our logo looks on the website. You can see clearly that the logo doesn't look good, so we will crop our website logo. Here you can see that the logo is visible and the name is also visible. We only want the logo, so we will click on the logo in the logo layout here. The logo on your website looks like this from here. You can also increase or decrease the size of your logo. Now I will tell you something important. If you don't want to go into too much trouble by adding a logo to the header, you can also add a logo directly from here. You can simply have to click on the pencil icon. As soon as you click on the pencil icon, it will directly open the logo portion where you can easily customize everything related to the logo. Now we look at the site icon. Those who are installing the site icon for the first time will have their WordPress site icon showing. We will replace our WordPress icon with the site icon. You have to keep the ratio of the site icon 512 to 512. If you can't keep this, then you have to keep in mind that whatever ratio you keep should be 1:1, such as 100 ratio 100, 200 ratio 200, 500 ratio 500, etc. You can see that our site icon has been activated. We have done all the general setting. There is an option for design. Next to general, we will click on it. Here there is only the option of padding for the logo. I will explain to you on Canva what padding means. For example, there is a black colored box. Whatever is inside it is a logo or text. Now the distance between the text and the box is called padding. You can increase and decrease the padding, but you have to keep in mind that you always have to keep the padding in a breathable condition. The distance from the text to the top, bottom, left, right is the padding. The area outside the padding, if there are any boxes, the distance between them is called margin. I hope so this is clear to all of you. Now we practically see the padding increase and decrease from top, bottom, right and left. Here you will see the option of lock. If you click on it, the padding of all the side increase at the same time. You will not need to do it separately. Here are three options at the top of the lock. These are to see how your site will look on a tablet, a desktop, and a mobile phone. See here, there are also same option in general. If you want your logo size to appear a larger on desktop, a little smaller on tablet, and a smaller on mobile, you can increase and decrease it from here. You guys have to see this main thing as soon as I click on customization. These options will show up here like color and font, header, etc. But as soon as I click on pencil icon, these header settings will open like top row, main row and bottom row. This part is very important for creating the header. Now we are going to create a header like you can see on this website how it has created the top navigation, main navigation with parent categories like this. In the navigation, you can display post, pages, or category. For this, you have to go to the dashboard and click on post and add new post to create a post related to your niche and also categorize it. I have created these posts and categorized them. I have explained in the previous video how to categorize the post and how to create it. You can check them out and create them. Here you are shown the top, middle and bottom row. You can add and remove things here as you wish. Whatever you add here will be shown on your website. Now you can drag and drop anything you want to show anywhere on the website. Within each row, you can add and remove items depending on your website. I have created posts and pages for my site that you are showing here. Now after adding posts and pages, our site looks like this, but I want to change my primary navigation, so I will create a menu for that. Here we will put easy name for our menu. I'll click on customize so I can add things to my main menu. Click on the pencil icon and a menu will be shown to you on the left side. You have to select your menu. Soon as you select your main menu, your navigation that was showing earlier is no longer showing because we didn't select anything in the main menu. How do we solve this? We will go to our menu and select whatever we want to add from there. Now we save it and refresh it to see that the menu is showing in our main navigation or not. Our menu is showing, so if you want to categories to show here instead of pages, for this you first have to delete the pages you had shown within the main menu. Here you can choose the categories that you want to show in your main menu. Here we are showing pages in the menu, but we have set the categories right now. So don't be panic. Sometimes the cache problem occurs. Last time in the previous videos, we installed the Lightspeed cache so that if we encounter such problems, we can use it. So as I am doing it on the screen, you have also to follow the same way. As soon as you click on pencil icon, you will be shown the navigation below. You have to click on the primary navigation setting. After clicking on setting, on the left side, you have to select your menu. Now there are categories being shown here. I have created 3 posts for each category, but if you want to post here instead of category, you have to follow the same process. I am spending more time on this so that you can get everything clear because the header is the main thing on every side. We have show the post in the menu, but if we show post like this, there will be a rush here. I want these posts to be shown here but in the short form. So for that we will go to the menu and select the main keywords. Look at this, posts are being shown in the short form. Now, if you want to add a custom link to your website, you can do it from here. We have seen the main things about the header, like how to add post, categories, pages, or custom link to the header. Now we will see how to create a sub-parent category like the one this page created to make the header more beautiful. To understand the sub-parent categories, we will create more posts and create more parent categories for them so that you can understand this concept at a broader level. You also have to create categories for your website according to your niche, just like I am creating. Now, by clicking on the appearance and menu for creating parent categories, just like I am doing, you also have to follow the same steps. As soon as you save these categories, you will see these categories in the menu in a single row. So we have to create sub-parent categories. So for that, we will go back to the menu and there we will drag and drop the categories as I am doing. You also have to do the same as our parent categories will start showing on our page. And decrease the spacing of the items in your menu. And clicking on the stretch menu will create equal space between your items at the same time. From here, you can apply any effect you want to your menu according to your wishes. In short, you have to check all the options and you can create whatever look you want for your website. In the primary navigation, you have seen all the general options. Now in the design, you will see how to set the colors, everything according to your preferences. I will use the same colors on my website that I picked from brandcolors.net in the last video. You also have to set up all the things of your website in the same way as I have done. You have to pause and watch the video carefully, and finally this is the look of our website. You can see that our header has been created, and in the next video we will discuss the rest of the things. Allah Hafiz.